I miss making videos. If you can tell, I'm not uploading video on Booktube for 2 weeks and a half, I believe, because I've been busy for a couple of weeks. That's the reason why I am so sporadic uploading my video. But I am so profoundly grateful to all my friends here in Booktube and in Bookstagram. They sent me a personal message asking if I'm okay and how they miss me and they miss my video. Thank you so much, and you know who you are. It's September. I can't believe it. August was an okay month reading for me. I read 5 books, and the first book that I read is Tuesday with Morrie by Mitch Albom. This is a great book to pick. Beautiful, profound, idealistic quotes, and simple yet moving account of love and loss. But it's also hope for something better. It's continuation of learning about life and self-development. This book is a reminder of what is important in life. I give this 3.5 stars out of 5. I did enjoy reading it. If you can tell, I annotate some of the quotes. Yes, and the next book that I read is Legend by Mary Lou. I love the strong female protagonist, and the style is very pleasant and exciting. And the change of view between June and Day illuminate the story from two sides, making it more or even more interesting. I enjoy reading it. I give this 3.5 stars out of 5, and I will highly recommend this to those younger readers or younger ones. And the next book that I read is The Old Man in the Sea by Ernest Hemingway. This was my very first Ernest Hemingway, and I just didn't feel either I like it or dislike it. I'm not sure if it broke me for future Hemingway novel. If you want to read of Hemingway, maybe don't start here. I'm sorry, I just don't get it. It's confusing, lack of plot, and convoluted. I give this 3 stars out of 5 because of a few things that did impress me, such as how the old man never give up no matter how bad the outlook, and how he maintained a sense of survival, and how he corrected his negative self-talk. I think it's overhyped. And the next book that I read is Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. I don't think this book was for me. I just don't think I was fully prepared. I was hesitant to pick it up because I knew that this book dealt with heavy topics, and I just didn't find myself particularly attached to any of the characters. I did enjoy some of the conversation between Lou and Will. There are some entertaining part that I enjoyed, which is why I wouldn't give it like 1 star or 2 stars. I probably not pick up the second one. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, if it's worth reading or not. Yes, I give this 3 star. And the next book that I read, Waiting for Godot or Waiting for Goda, it's up to you how you pronounce it, but I am comfortable Waiting for Godot. It's a tragic comedy in 2 acts. I found reading a play like watching the play. This is very entertaining but bizarre. In my opinion, it's a powerful allegory of life, death, and religion. We always search for meaning for our existence. Sometimes we find what we're looking for, but often we are left wanting and waiting. It's a very short and funny play with much deeper message and theme. The laughter is such a potent weapon against despair. I give this 4 star. I did enjoy reading it. I like it. And these are the books that I read in the month of August. And yeah, thank you so much once again, friends, for hanging out with me. and I hope you have a wonderful day or night. Probably I will see you next time because I have a book haul for you guys. And thank you again. Thank you so much. And yeah, bye.